Lost it.
That's it.
Lost it.
Abandon the workshop. He's dropped the spider. Run away. Run away.
Right, so I know what's turning up this morning. Do you?
We have some clue. We've got a bit of an idea.
Oh, hello.
I can see drive shafts hanging down. Yeah, it's not there.
Do we have an engine?
Do we have a gearbox?
What? Yeah, we've got one.
That bit's missing.
They're there. Someone's been graffitiing it with stickers already. Though.
Yeah, who was that? Blimey. What do you reckon, Jono?
Yeah, it don't look too bad.
Yeah,
There's not much to do with it.
we're going to take the roof off, eh?
We'll get the saw out in a minute.
Well, we have
get it up in the air on the ramp.
in there.
Ready and waiting.
So originally it was a panel van many years ago, but yeah, it's right-hand drive. I don't even know what engine this is. I should have probably asked that question.
I think it was a turbo diesel. I think.
Just standard turbo diesel. So, should we unstrap the strap-ons?
Strap off the strap-ons. Close, isn't it?
What's first then, Jazzy?
Cleaning off. Have a look what we've got. Have a bit of a scrape up. Cut out. Get on the phone to Mike. He's order some parts. Crank the welders up.
We're on. This is it. This is Syncro. Westfalia roof job. Bit of underneath. Happy camping in the mountains. I'm getting all excited, so I'm going to go. Bye.
Time to get dirty.
How bad is it, Jazz?
But and the
Aren't you a new friend, Jazz?
beats it to death. He'll get my size 12 hammer.
Spider catching device.
I wouldn't even go anywhere near it. So you
Yes,
can
you're
do
freaking
whatever
me
you
out.
want. Look at it. Ready to eat ya and pounce.
Oh no, lost it.
That's it.
Lost it.
Abandon the workshop. He's dropped the spider. Run away.
Got him! Well done,
Right,
Jazzy.
ready, Jono? I'm alright, as long as there's no spiders. There's always one, isn't there? Oh, hello, John. How are you?
Hello.
Bulkhead's got it.
One hand in it. Bride, baby. That's a close shave. Taking them down the barbers now. It's now the barbers have opened up. There you go. Haircut, nice and clean and tidy up there, so we can slap on the Westie stuff.
We check some footage. It will have to come off again, but
this is the mock-up.
Gets it out of the way for a minute.
When it comes to obviously fitting the roof, this isn't a Westfalia van. So a Westfalia van has a different roof panel to what a normal van does.
I see.
So it's flat, basically.
Huh, so it is.
whole
So it hasn't
roof.
got the same curve.
Yeah.
Right.
So we have to do a mod each side to make these roofs fit
Okay.
these vans,
No biggie.
which we have done before.
No biggie.
Got rubber?
Rubber?
Always.
Rubber?
Always keep up with a rubber.
I'm going on a mission. I've been sent to go and pick up a broken gearbox, an old engine, and a few bits from Doug. Important. Look at that. One Syncro gearbox. One broken Syncro gearbox. We have a man here who knows so much about this because it was his van, wasn't it? Job done.
Indeed.
Gearbox. Props. Engine.
Original engine.
Doug has very kindly said that when I bribe him with as much beer, biscuits and other unmentionables
Food. It's easy. Food.
and food, going to come and help us do the 4th sprocket. Alright, so we got to get this in next week because the van's on the ramp at the moment. So
You have a.
We're gonna have a go.
You've got to take your time on that. That's not a rush job. They are delicate, annoying little things.
You're saying I
When
rush
you get
things?
it right, it'll be good.
you're saying I rush things. I don't ever rush things. I'm just in haste.
You're like an excited
Right.
evil puppy.
What else you got in here?
Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go. You brought us some Syncro goodies.
You asked, I delivered.
What do you reckon, Jazzo?
It's not shiny, is it? I like
Oh,
shiny.
It probably is shiny.
Nice.
Shiny. That I like the look of. That I don't like the look of. Throw that gearbox in for us for you.
Jazz said, Adam, I reckon you can just whack that into the van, can't you? So I've done loads of gearboxes in my time, so that was just fine, obviously.
All right, Ad. Oh, well, I'm going to get a cup of tea once I'm finished, then he'll be in, right?
Yeah.
All right, mate. See you later.
Minutes max.
Cheers, pal.
I've forgotten how to release them. You do.
Okay, so you're supposed to get the engine in, but you can't actually undo a ratchet strap.
No, engines are different, mate. There's no ratchets on an engine.
No ratchet on an engine. Let's just check this out, right? You need to get this gearbox in.
Oh, got it.
Oh, well done. I will get you a certificate.
A certificate.
Bring that in then, Ad.
Oh, yeah, easy. Off we go.
Go.
Yeah, nice one, lads.
What are you doing? I'm here. That's it. All the bits are in. Happy days. The weekend's on. It's up for love. Waiting all week for you. These days of mine. Happy and free. Those happy days.
Right. Heritage. And this is oil filter. Clutch cylinder.
CV boot.
CV
Yeah.
boot.
C5 oil filter.
There you go.
Fuel filter.
The lock. Stack you up. Cheers, mate.
Thanks.
Good morning.
Morning.
Where are we at, my friend?
We are at engine connected.
Well, hey, getting it all hooked up.
Slowly. Just trying to find it all.
Ah,
But if you head to the rear,
always.
here's where we're at.
Right.
Spaghetti.
Yeah, it is a bit, isn't it?
The plan is to actually try and get it started today. I know we're not done otherwise. John's still welding and thing, but it'd be nice if we can get it running so we know she's a runner.
Absolutely, that's right. Could be an interesting one.
Yep, but we'll keep you updated as we go.
All right. Yes, Jazzy!
Yeah, boy! Got the alternator connected back up. Starter motor's connected. A few here that I'm not sure about.
We're waiting on this bit from Brickworks. They delivered. Whether it's the right bit or not, we'll find out. The Brickworks do jelly tots and stuff, sweets.
If they do, they're mine. They're mine! All mine!
So, JK, just campers, you get a bag of sweets, Haribo, or a similar brand.
Let's see.
Heritage,
I'm more interested.
Heritage, come on, step it up. But
I'm more
Brickworks
interested in this.
is really no sweets. But we have got the bit we need for the van, which is a bonus.
All right.
So this is the
Exhausting.
oil filler tube.
Ah, right.
And obviously we had an oil filler tube, which we thought was right.
Right.
But it was a petrol one, this is a diesel one.
Has that got the
Snazzy,
extender?
man.
So this bit.
Could we not put that on as a gear shifter instead? Look.
Oh, hey!
Look, a gear shifter.
Tell us about the image.
Exhaust.
Oh, mods are us.
Oh, right, yeah. Two
Ah, look.
very different shape there.
So petrol DG engine, diesel.
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 Nice.
But hopefully our oil caps will be the same.
Just swap one over. Yes.
Bolts on there. Up the hole.
A little something like that.
And sticks out up there.
Beauty.
Just had that delivery from Brickworks, Syncro Brickworks. We've got all the bits we need now to get the Syncro on the road. We're not purposely fixing that fourth speed, jumping out, fourth gear rather. At the moment, we're just going to get her running, get her MOT'd, get her on the road so we go play, because we've got to get something else on the ramps. So yeah, it's an interim fix, but she's staying with us for a while. We're going to go play with her, we're going to go camping, so we can come back and do the proper mods and fixes we want to. But for the time being, let's get her on the road. 2 days, hopefully, be done. This Ben from Nutjob, we've got some blue paint to pick up. Thank you. We're picking up the paint for the Westie. We're up at Groves in Burgess Hill. Steve has been really helpful in trying to work out, because the colour had faded a little bit from it being 30-odd-year-old van. Hello, Steve. You all right? This is the man I was on about, Steve and the blue at Groves. So what did you go for, Stephen? Did you have to go digi? Or
Scanned it, yeah.
Scanned it. So this is what we were scanning with it, Steve, to get that match on it.
3 green lights.
And you have to blow into it.
No.
Blow harder.
I do it like 5 times as long as it's green all the time.
I bet that's quite an expensive bit of kit, is it?
A few grand.
A few grand. But I suppose if he gets it right every time, hopefully we'll get it on, see what it does.
If it's too far out, don't take a picture of it.
If it's too far out, yeah. If it's too far out, we were never here.
No.
Alright, nice one,
Cheers.
Steve. Thanks for that, mate. She's blown in alright, she's a bit like, so you're essentially trying to get a bit of colour match going on.
We've got 2 different types of blue, so I'm going to add a little bit of the darker blue into the other blue we've got, and we should.
Because she's an older van, she's got bits of faded, bits of not.
So I mean, you look there and you think, oh, that's a different colour, but then you look around the back and it looks exactly the same.
So we've got a bit of blending, bit of feathering.
Old paint.
And we're going to paint the spats in.
Paint the spats.
Can't afford the old Terrawagon, they'd be lovely to have, wouldn't they? Big nice Terrawagon arch, like plastic arches. But we're going to go the other way around.
We're going to fake it.
Fake it. So we're not going to paint the spats now, because we have just found some original spats.
Spats.
Check it out, this is what will happen.
Sweet. So instead of painting them on, oh look there.
Look at those bad boys.
Dun 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 dun. Oh, they're huge.
And we got the front ones too.
Sweet.
We'll show you at one day where they came from.
Ah, interesting.
Anyway, there you go. These are going to look great, getting painted up. Or whatever we're going to do to them. Maybe a bit of linseed oil, see how we can get on. Got some graphics to replace.
Yes, and clean.
And clean. But check this out, Jono, should we chuck that, should we just go and get the front roof section, chuck that on?
Yeah, we can bung it on. That's all painted now, so.
Right, should we go get it?
Let's go and get it.
Cool.
And lower on.
And it's on.
All right.
Oh, the colour's so good. Oh, it looks awesome.
That's it. I think we'll probably get a new rubber for the front. Go around it, but that gives you an
Actually,
idea.
looking at
Fantastic. I reckon that's spot on there, boys.
Get the old light bar back on.
That's really cool.
That'll work nicely.
Oh, the Syncro.
Get the grill back on. And then,
Got a nice grill. Missing the inner lights. They don't want the inner lights.
Oh, man. Yeah, but that's going to look great, though, isn't it?
so Jazz has decided that he wanted to go on holiday. As ever, he don't really do anything anyway, so we're probably better off without him, right? But he did have a play with the engine. Don't let us down, Jazz. While you're probably sitting in the field drinking a beer.
Yeah, boy!
Let's give it a go.
Check out the wheel carrier. Heavy duty.
Yeah, that's nice. Swingy
Nice,
outy.
isn't it?
Nice, alley.
Shiny, shiny.
Oh, we've got an actual alloy.
It's actually original as well.
Under here, there's not really much to do.
Well, let me know when you're ready. Shall I go and give it a
Make sure
go?
the battery's on.
Battery is connected. Happy for me to go and give it a go?
All good to go.
Damn.
Green Jazz has done it all.
All right, sweet.
Action. We hope. John, are you clear?
All clear,
Alrighty. Oh, we have lights. We have orange light off.
Send it. Hey!
Alright.
Jazzy hasn't let us down.
Dirty Diesel! That was a win then, John.
Win.
Alright, chuck it down.
Happy with that.
Eyes are back up. Oh, we've still got the roof to do.
You ready to get the roof into paint this afternoon?
Should be right.
Get her in. Happy days, so she's running. We better see if she moves, right?
That's it. Get her in, get her on, get her going.
Go get MOT.
Woo!
She'll be fine, she'll drive.
There we go. Syncro.
She gone. So what we got to do? She's got to get MOT.
MOT first off.
And then when she's back, we got to finish off roof.
Yeah, lifty
roof.
bit. Lifty bit.
So that's quite important bit because all the mechanism and everything for the Westie roofs is pretty complicated in getting. So maybe we can show a bit more detail on that one. There's quite a lot to do for that.
Yeah.
So changing of the roof is the important bit. We've got to rip out some of the old stuff. Interior wise.
Yeah, interior wise.
Because she was a twin slider. She still is, but Doggett had a big chimney thing going on in one side. So she's going to still, we want to go open, let the breeze come through.
Oh, yes,
Very nice, isn't it? And
maybe some little extras as well.
yeah.
Oh, we've got to get those spats on.
Get the spats on. That's kind of it, really. She's excited. Oh, we got an awning. We got an awesome awning to go on from Tough Trek. It's one of those ones that's on the side, and then it goes.
Whoa, whoa there. That was a nut job right there if I've ever seen one.
And then we could do what we do really well. We could go and get a meal deal. Sorry. We could go and get some culinary delights and go for a
camping.
Go for a run.
Oh, check out the. I want to see the awning.
Well, the awning is.
Not again. See you in the next one.
Cheers, guys.